Kashi Vishwanath corridor that's going to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday. I just want to pan to this side and show you the Ganga river. So these are the steps of the corridor that, as you can see, are still under construction. It will take a while for them to get their final shape. But what the Prime Minister is doing is that before I talk about that, let me just show you the burning ghats there. These are the Manikarnika ghats where cremations take place. It's a very famous place across the country. And to this side is the other ghat that is also a prominent one in Varanasi, and the corridor is coming up in between these two ghats. And there, as you can see, the Ganga river, of course, no one is a stranger to that. We all know about the Ganga river and its importance in Varanasi. The corridor is coming up to this side. So to this side is the Kashi Vishwanath temple. I'm going to just walk inside as I show you these last minute preparations that are taking place. Obviously, this is very hurried because the Prime Minister is coming in tomorrow, so it's debatable whether all of this will be complete or not. The Prime Minister will be taking a vehicle and will be coming to this area where, as you can see, like I said, finishing touches still happening for the entire corridor. It's likely that all of this will finish in, say, a month from now, but it is getting inaugurated tomorrow. To that side is the Kashi Vishwanath temple. I give you shots from a top angle of the temple and the corridor, I'd like to pan this side and also show you the older part of Varanasi. These are areas very close to the ghats. You can see that this is a very congested space beyond the Kashi Vishwanath temple. But now that I walk to this side, it'll be interesting to see how this area has transformed. So this is the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Earlier, the temple was confined within this space that is on your camera right now. But right now, what has happened is that this entire area has been cleared out. So the congestion here has been removed, and these buildings have been constructed very close to the famous Manikarnika or burning ghats of Varanasi. The additional space that's been required to create this infrastructure has been about 55,000 square meters. And the project, according to the government, has taken around 900 crores to build. At the Kashi Vishwanath temple in Varanasi, where the Kashi corridor is going to be inaugurated by the Prime Minister on Monday. At the moment, you can see festivities here at the Kashi Vishwanath temple with this group of devotees singing, dancing and also chanting, perhaps to mark the occasion as the Prime Minister visits Varanasi to carry out the inauguration tomorrow. He had laid the foundation stone for the corridor in 2019.
करता रहिए अपना काम।
Achyut Mohandas is a priest at the ISKCON temple in Varanasi. So I just want to ask you, what do you feel about the redeveloped corridor? An added question to that would be that some say that the mystique or the magic of Varanasi is also in its congested lanes and the way people used to access it earlier. So what do you feel about the modernization of it and the fact that this entire path has been cleared for devotees to access it perhaps in a better way?
Oh yes, this is a very important question, and I would say that as far as the experience of everyone goes here, this is the best thing which could have happened.
Okay.
Because we do agree that the traditional Kashi was in its small lanes and those congested lifestyle which we used to experience. At the same time, to share that experience with everyone, to share the blessings of Vishwanath with everyone who can come here in a hygienic way, and they can experience the ecstasy here, which is available in the spiritual chanting of Lord's names.
You are a priest, you are very far away from politics, so to say. But what did you say about all the hype that's been created over the inauguration? I mean, it deserves it, of course. I mean, that's another aspect, and you told about it. But what do you feel about the political hype around it, given that elections are also around the corner?
Yeah, as you rightly mentioned, I'm not an expert on this matter. At the same time, the essence which I see about is that this is very good because at least through that, Kashi's name, Vishwanath Ji's name, Ganga Maiya's name, and the Lord Krishna's, Lord Rama's names are spreading all over in the media. So it's like purifying it, you know, whether you put it this way or that way, the medicine acts.
I am standing at the famous Godalia intersection in Varanasi. To this side is the Dashashwamedh Ghat and the famous congested bylane of this temple town. To this side is the Kashi Vishwanath temple and also one end of the Kashi corridor that the Prime Minister is inaugurating. A blend of tradition and modern things, so to say, at this intersection. But at the end of the day, perhaps this inauguration is also as much about politics as it is about religion. With Ajay Singh and Vineet Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.